It's LUSION. I don't know what LUSION represent for the Turn Up Twins. Oh my God, them turn up, them turn up.
I mean, no sir Capone this, Walkaboy production. And LUSION there is it. Garris Entertainment. Everything good as it. No sir, without the studio right now going easy. This morning we do the dub, gun clean.
Yo, boom boom. Big up your blast itself. It's LUSION. Hurry, them clean and buzzling. The eagle no need visa for traveling. And me we make your mirror fly like a javelin. Fire from me nozzle when it bustle like a gasoline. Boom boom boom, them clean and buzzling. The eagle no need visa for traveling. And me we make your mirror fly like a javelin. Fire from me nozzle when it bustle like a gasoline. Boom boom, no see the first boy figure in a back cancer. Hurry high, we kill her quicker than cancer.
The street mad. People them talk about it on YouTube right now. Over 1,000 views. I got 2,000 views already from this morning. You see me? So one item check it out, is it? And LUSION have our next thing. What we are gonna do now, we're gonna shot. So LUSION, many people don't know about it.
Yeah man, you know say it's like as we said, the dub last night and say boy, a whole heap of love. I get that pertaining to the dub and my career and realize that people appreciate my music. So what I do now, I say alright, voice a thing now and give people them if you know say alright, I appreciate their love because a lot of artists not really show the people them say the fans are needed. And without the fans the artist is nothing. So then I just do a song and say I'm gonna put out to make people them know say alright, it's an appreciation and I do a love song for the weed. You understand? So it's a weed love song. And we even shot a viral video. And you can expect it. As a matter of fact, it is coming out this weekend.
Yeah, man.
Emphasis. This weekend. So you can just know say, look for it by Saturday on YouTube. I hate that LUSION represent figures as always. It's LUSION. I love my fans.
Mad thing, man.
You know?
The street just look out for LUSION. Mad thing is it. Mad and mean thing, man. You see, Garris Entertainment, big up Advescape. You see me? Do that music, the whole world, is it? Everything good. Mad and mean.
Yo, LUSION, you ever smoke it and won't stop smoking, can't stop smoking.
Addicted, more marijuana. Say something while I'm all puff on you. So I'ma sing to her.
For real.
Why society so rough on you?
That more I know though.
Anywhere you are, I will find you. Oh, say something, I won't give up on you. No, no, 'cause I'm feeling so high. Yes, it's you that I love, and I won't say goodbye. And I ask why they all want you for, when you are so good. You did nothing wrong at all. Now I say, yeah, say something while I'm up on you. Why society so rough on you? Anywhere you are, I will find you. Oh, say something, I can't give up on you. at all, 'cause I cherish every drop. 'Cause we all know they say you're against the law. Oh, say something while I'm up on you. Please tell me why society so rough on you.
That one no do.
Yeah, anywhere you are, I'll find you. Oh, say something, I can't give up on you.
Wow, I just want to show people them say, "Alright, watch out now. Me there. And you can rely upon me, because guess what? I need you now, I love you now. Love my fans. I know some love you. See? Illusion.
Illusion, yeah. I don't know some I represent for Garrison Entertainment, you know. It's like running from a lion and I can't escape. Illusion I represent for Advocate.